Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. I'm back after a long time. I was not well. I was sick. Okay, actually, I updated on the community posts that I'm down with fever. So yes, I'm back in action. You'll be getting regular videos again. And one more thing, I have added recently. Yesterday, probably you have saw that my channel was online. Yes, my channel will be online for around 10 to 12 hours each day with all the important levels on the chart. Okay, there will be multiple chart, and so that okay, just before placing the order you can understand that what are the important levels on the major forex pairs. Okay, that is the main intention. So let's see how it goes. Anyways, let's talk about euro usd today now. So right now trading in 1.1352. This is the current market price, and if you have watched my previous videos, then you know it very well that this level has been acting as a resistance zone for euro USD for quite some time. So right now euro USD has just entered the resistance zone, and you must be knowing it also that on the chart of DXY, market has just entered the support zone. There is a correlation between DXY US dollar and Euro USD. When dollar goes up, Euro USD goes down. When dollar goes down, we usually see Euro USD going up. So DXY is in support zone, Euro USD is in resistance zone. So it is a very critical spot. And if I zoom in, then you can see that after reaching this support zone, DXY is trying to take support. There is also a price rejection. The price rejection signifies the presence of buyers on DXY. So there is a possibility of DXY bouncing from this present level. If it bounces, then we will see some correction, some retracement on Euro USD. But keep in mind that DXY does not have a freeway highway. We have a trend line at the top acting as resistance, and if it crosses also the trend line, then we have the next resistance coming up at 96.05 to 96.25 level. This level is also a important resistance zone for DXY. And before I talk about the Euro USD, I would like to take you to the currency strength meter. Right now it is loading. Okay, let's wait. Yeah, our currency meter is ready. Today or is the strongest currency, and USD, no, NZD was the weakest. So keep in mind, dollar is in the weaker zone right now. Dollar may seem weak right now, but keep in mind dollar is standing in the support. If it bounces, then dollar will switch places and dollar will be on the green side. You will see dollar on the green side if it bounces from the support. So do not think that dollar is weak, the market will be going down, blah blah blah. No, be logical. Okay, be logical and keep your eyes on the chart of DXY. It is very important. And if you talk about euro, then there is not much movement on the chart of euro. Okay, and let's talk about euro USD. So what are the important levels here? So first of all, market is at the resistance zone. If you are planning to take a sell position, or if you have already taken a sell position, okay, then you can take a sell position. Okay, I will not say that taking a sell position is a bad thing. Yes, you can take a sell position, but keep in mind that there is not much movement. Do not expect huge profit right now or huge downside also. Yes, do not expect huge downside on Euro USD because we have multiple support on the Euro USD. See, this is a volume profile here. You can see that if it goes down also, the biggest support, I think biggest support will be at 1.13302 to 1.1325. Okay, this level will be this level is the this level has witnessed the highest volume, so this level will be acting as the support here. So do not expect a big candle as of now. Until and unless there is something huge event comes up, do not expect any big movement in the market. Okay, if under normal circumstances, okay, this level will be acting as a support for the market. And just above it, okay, you can see that around 1.1240 also we have got support. What I'm trying to say is that Euro USD does not have much downside, at least for today and tomorrow, because there are multiple support present on the chart of Euro USD. So there is a possibility that market will be going up. Okay, there is a possibility of market going up, and if it goes down also, this level will be acting as support. And I think that if market bounces, you can definitely take a buy position. And in case there is a sudden breakout, okay, in case there is a sudden breakout, let's say DXY falls, DXY goes down, and if you see a Euro USD going up, then also do not worry, you can definitely take a buy position, because see, previously this level was a very strong resistance, but right now this level, the level of 1.1350 to 80 is losing its ground. It is not relevant like it used to be before. Okay, so if you see any sudden movement on DXY, and if you see good buying possibility on the Euro USD, then obviously you can take it. And if it comes down to the support levels also, you can definitely go for a buy. Right now I will not suggest any sell position until and unless it reaches this particular level. Okay, here you can take a sell position, here you can take a sell position, but right now market is trading here. At this moment I do not see any huge down move on the side of chart of Euro USD. So these are the levels where you can take the order. Let's see where the market goes, how the market reacts. Bye bye.